can see here I've got all my cutout pieces. I've got my background that's got my 3 nice bright patterns, very fauvist, very wild beast colors here, very bright, just like Matisse. And now next step is just to arrange our pieces and get them glued down. So I would recommend kind of getting our table here first. Go ahead and put those legs down. And then we can position our fishbowl. Get those fish going in their new home. Hope they like it. And then you can see here I've got some leaves. I might have some plants sticking out from behind, maybe up here. Okay, do a little bit of arranging, see what looks good to you. Notice I also added a few little details to some of our cutouts. If you'd like to do that with a marker or a pen, you could do that. I added some faces and some gills to our fish, some little details to our leaves. Okay, so get your shapes all arranged, decide what you like, and then go ahead and glue them down.